Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, coming at you with another 5 things I love about this trailer. And today we are looking at a 2022 Puma XLE. It is a 25 BHSC floor plan, nice little family bunkhouse. The very first thing I love about this trailer is how easy it is to move it around. It's only 6,028 pounds. It's got some convenience features on top of that, so once you're moving it around, you've got power jacks on both ends to stabilize the unit. They're all just switch operated, so you can get to where you're going. Get it off the back of the truck with your power tongue jack in the front, and then get it all stabilized and balanced with your Lippert power stabilizers that you've got on all 4 corners of the trailer. Makes it super nice and easy to get off the truck, get yourself ready to camp that much faster. Thing 2 I love about this trailer is this beautiful outdoor kitchen. That's all going to slide out. We've got the Greystone grill right now all wrapped up for protection, but that will slide out. It is a flat top, so you can cook just about anything on there. We've got a plumbed sink, we've got a fridge, and that again will all slide out, so you can connect it all together, do your camping or your cooking on the outside of the camper, and get nice and comfortable and enjoy the great outdoors, and be able to enjoy that vibe of cooking outside for the family, which is an awesome experience. Thing 3 I love about this camper is the light interior. Let's go inside and take a look. You got that nice light wash paint look to the decor on the inside. The furniture's a nice light gray. All the cabinetry, again, is that bleached out white look. Really nice light interior. You're gonna see it to really appreciate how nice it is to be in a trailer that's this light. You've got windows on either side of it that really brightens things up, and we love that look of the Puma XLEs that are coming through this year. Really brightens things up on the inside. So as we take a look around at the decor, thing 4 I love about this trailer is the privacy. So take a look at the bunks in the corner. You've got a privacy curtain that wraps around. I've got the one on the top already wrapped around now, so you can see it for the video. There is a second privacy curtain in the corner here for the lower bunk as well, so the kids can get up there, pull the curtain closed, and have a little bit of privacy if they want some time to themselves. If you got younger kids that want to go to bed a little bit earlier, you have that extra degree of privacy. And for a trailer that's as towable as this one, for mom and dad, for the parents, you've got a private bedroom at the front too, so let's step up and take a look at that. We've got a pocket door that'll close up so you can get in there and get some peace and quiet, some privacy for yourself as well. You've got shirt closets on either side of the bedroom here. You've got that nice washed barn board look above the bed. Really adds a nice touch to the overall look of the trailer. You've got a charging station over here on the right, and a power plug over there on the left, as well as a shelf on either side to store anything you might want to have next to the bed with you. Spot there for a TV if you'd like as well. So you've got the privacy of the front bedroom, and you've got the privacy curtains around the bunks at the back. Love that extra little bit of touch that you're going to have, so when you're out camping you can enjoy yourselves with the family and be able to have a little space for yourselves at the same time. Thing 5 I love about this trailer is the large bathroom. So you're in a trailer that's just under 30 feet, and you've got a nice sized tub, little spot to sit, relax, and let the shower cascade over top of you. But you've got the space with this corner sink and medicine cabinet to really spread out in the bathroom and not feel as though you're cramped. We'll step right inside, take a look at it. There's your sink, you've got your furnace. There's a better look at the corner medicine cabinet. A vent, of course, and we've got a skylight right above my head here. Nice touch in the light finish in there as well. Coming out, we'll take a look at the rest of the floor plan. Spot there to hang a TV, that's your entertainment area. You've got some storage on either side. You've got a Bluetooth stereo already built into this one. Stepping back, you've got a drop-down dinette. Spot for family game night if the kids want to bring along a friend. You can pop that table down and give them an extra place to sleep. Popping over there to the other side, we'll spin around and take a look at the couch. We've got a futon couch here. There is storage underneath that couch as well, so if you want to store your bedding under there, you've got that option. All that is on the slide. You've got a couple of storage units above, so you can get a few things up and out of the way there as well. And you've got a couple of windows, one of which will pop open to get a little extra breeze through so that you can be nice and comfortable on those hotter nights. Beautiful kitchen on this one as well. You've got a 12-volt fridge, gives you that extra space on the inside. Little pantry space to the left of the oven, which has a 3-burner cooktop over top of it and a microwave. Storage above, high-rise faucet over the stainless steel sink, and more storage below. And one thing we don't want to miss, as soon as you walk in the door, you've got a nice spot to store a few things. Keys, hats, those sorts of things that you want to have right by the door, but you don't necessarily want them just lying around. And there's a spot there to plug something in. Nice and convenient. Great place for all the plugs. We love this trailer. So again, this has been a look at the 2022 Puma 25B HSC. Come on and take a look at it here at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam Sis, our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton. We'd love to show you a trailer, get you ready to camp for the springtime that's coming. Enjoy some time with family. Come on down and see us. Love to find the trailer to suit your needs.